We're going to be taking a look at this property located in Delano, California. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Square footage is 1036 and year built is 1952. It's currently listed in the market for $345,000. So let's go inside and take a look. As soon as you go in, you can see that it has a nice open kitchen layout. Before we take a closer look at the living room area, let's make a left turn here and check out the garage. The garage does have enough space for 2 cars, and it also has the washer and dryer hookups that you can see here. Heading towards the outside from here, we can also see that new fencing has been added. You also have a side gate on this area. Before we take a look at the rest of the property, if you're a first-time home buyer, I do want to let you know that I have a great loan officer that I work with. And if you're looking to see how much you qualify for or exploring your loan options, message me or call me so we can set up a free consultation. Here we step inside the living room area once again. All throughout the property, it has been updated with recessed lights, as you can see on top. Making a left-hand turn from the hallway, we come up to this small room, which you can turn into a study or work from home space. Across from this space, we come up to the first bedroom that we have here. Here's the full view of the bedroom. All throughout the property, you will also be seeing the nice tile that you have in the bottom here. Coming up to the first closet, where you can see that it has enough space to put your personal belongings. And here's another angle of this first bedroom. In the comments, let me know, what do you think about this property so far? To the side of the bedroom, you also have the first bathroom. In the side, we have the vanity with quartz countertop. Let me make another turn here so I can give you a 360-degree angle of this bathroom. Next, to the side of the first bathroom, you also have the second bedroom. Before we go and take a look at the primary room from here, that I do help out with USDA loans and VA loans. If you qualify for those, you will get help in putting $0 towards down payment. So make sure to reach out to me so you can take advantage of those excellent loan programs. Coming up, we have the third room, which is a primary bedroom. Let me walk towards this corner so I can show you the complete bedroom. One other thing that I want to let you know is that if you're a homeowner in Delano or surrounding areas and would like a free market analysis on your property of how much it can sell for in today's market, let me know so we can set up an appointment. Next to the side, this way, we have the primary bathroom, similar like the first bathroom that we saw a while ago. Now let me turn once again so I can give you another angle. From here, let's make our way back towards the hallway so we can go and take a look at the kitchen. Here you have space for your dining room area, and then in the side you have the kitchen, which also includes top of the line appliances. You have the stove, the oven, and the dishwasher. The countertops, just like the cabinets, matching in white color. And here's another side view of the kitchen before making our way to the backyard. Now that we're done looking at the inside of the property, let's go and take a look at the backyard. Opening up the back door towards the backyard, you have your nice covered patio here, and then take a look at this full amazing view of this big backyard. Behind, you also have a gate with back alley access. The property also includes a solar system that has been paid off. This yard is big enough to customize it however you want it. You can put a swimming pool, an RV, or maybe an additional unit if city permits allow for it. Make sure to like and follow for more content.